Hi everybody, today's session is on past simple, Koha, shkuar, of the verb spoke. The foljes, flas. So, I spoke, un fola, you spoke, ti fole, he spoke, I foli, she spoke, ayo foli, we spoke, ne folem, you spoke, you followed, they spoke, ata, ato. Pyetësore, interrogative. Did I speak? A fola un? Yes, I did. Po, un fola. No, I didn't. Ja, un nuk fola. Did you speak? Da foleti? Yes, I did. Po, un fola. No, I didn't. Ja, un nuk fola. As you can see, everywhere the answers are the same. So we have yes, I did or no, I didn't. Now in English, these are easy because it's the same thing, but in Albanian it changes. So did he speak? A foli ai? Yes, he did. Po, ai foli. No, he didn't. Jo, ai nuk foli. Did she speak? A foli ajo? Yes, she did. Po, ajo foli? No, she didn't. Jo, ajo nuk foli. Did it speak? A foli ai ajo për kafsh ose për sende? Për kafsh, sendet nuk flasin. Yes, it did. Edhe kafshët nuk flasin, po është thjesht njëra nga folit që mund të përdoret. So, yes, he did. Po, ai ajo foli. No, he didn't. Jo, ai ajo nuk foli. Did we speak? A folëm ne? Yes, we did. Po, ne folëm. No, we didn't. Jo, ne nuk folëm. Did you speak? Yes, we did. No, we didn't. A folët ju? Jo, ju nuk folët. Jo, ne nuk folëm. And did they speak? Yes, they did. No, they didn't. A folën ata ato. Negative. I didn't speak. Unë nuk fola. You didn't speak. Ti nuk fole. He didn't speak. Ai nuk foli. She didn't speak. Ajo nuk foli. We didn't speak. Ne nuk folëm. You didn't speak. Ju nuk folët. They didn't speak. Ata ato folën. As always, subscribe for the new videos. This is a picture of Tirana. And there are two pictures of Tirana. The one on top is from the center of Tirana, and the other one is an area which is quite common, and it's right behind the center actually. It's basically a side way, and it's very common with tourists. So this was today's session. Shihemi në mësimin tjetër. Mirupafshim. Take good care of yourself and stay safe.